What's up, guys? Just doing a video to show you guys what kind of gas mileage I'm getting in the new 2025 Toyota 4Runner. Say hi to Covey too. Hey. He's a good boy. But yeah, let's check out the miles per gallon in the new 4Runner. So you guys, we're getting 19.5 in town. That's really in town driving, no freeway, nothing like that. It's pretty awesome. That's with stock, these new 4Runners running on 33s. So imagine the last gen, you put 33s on that, you're getting 12 miles a gallon. But the new gen 33s stock getting 19.5 miles per gallon in town. And also on the freeway we're getting 24, high 23, 24. It's awesome. Yeah, just imagine we put 35s on though. Remember, just like my Tacoma, it was dropped down to 13 miles a gallon in town. That's probably the same thing for the new 4Runner if you put on 35s, but it's smarter just to leave 33s on the Tacoma and these 4Runners. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video. Check out the description for discount codes, 15% off at Lasfit and Oxido. Use code BLUESTI. Like, comment, subscribe, you guys. I appreciate you watching.